Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video. This video I would like to explain about the material is tenses, and I want to explain is one of tenses in English that I want to explain is present continuous. The first I want to introduce myself. My name is Sifa Samratul Qalbi. I come from Cianjur. I study at Surya Kencana University, and now I am 3 semester. Do you know, everybody, what is present continuous? Present continuous, the function is a progress at the moment of speaking that is always used if we are conversation with our friends. The time is now, right now, today, this time, this second. That is we call of present continuous. That is at the moment, this moment of we are speaking. And how the formula in present continuous, I have learned about the material before that. The formula of present continuous is to be plus ing. Do you know, everybody, what is to be and ing? To be is that relations with the subject, like there are is am, are, and is. And how the different about the other, this of the formula that used for daily activity. And what is verb ing? Verb ing like is what is it? Formal? Not formula. That have relation like to be, that in the last of the word, like verb 1 that can we take this verb ing. And this for the more formula that have in present continuous. There is subject. Subject is the function that have we call for pengganti. Dalam bahasa Indonesia itu disebutnya pengganti. But this what is it? Like what is it? And why subject in here? Because the subject like belongs to human. Like my name is Sifa. Sifa, that the Cheng I, and you like Rofi you, to be you is belong to Rofi, and we are is belong to Sifa, Rofi, and Fikri. That is we. That's we. And they is all. She that specific is more specific. He also it such as for noun, for animal or anything. And here is more formula that have in present continuous, like you they see it, that from the last word that our take is am is to be, are is to be, and is to be. I am, you are, we are, they are, she is, he is, and it is. Why I write this positive, because there is I am is active, that I am not is positive, like that. And you are also I take from the last this not, because that the first is not is like I am not eating, you are this not eating, we are this not eating, that's it. And if we can that we aren't, that you are not, we are not, they are not, that can for what is it, the more simply we call it you are to be, you aren't, we aren't, they aren't, and she is also that can further simply call it she isn't, he isn't, like that. And like the example is you are not eating, we are not eating, they are not eating, like that. And I think I just want you are not, like that, that simple, never mind. And for the last is interrogative. In English, we have 3 points of why there is interrogative, positive, and negative. That in positive, for usually we speak in daily activity, but in not like that. I am not eating, like we are don't want eating, or you are not eating, you are don't want eating, like that. And what is interrogative? Interrogative in Indonesian language is tanda tanya. The reason, yeah, never mind. Interrogative is like we are asking for someone, but the asking for someone, the to be, this is our to be, we take in the pronoun of the sentence. We take of the pronoun of the sentence to be are they eating? Are they walking? Are they, like that? That is for us to everyone or someone else. That's interrogative. Is like so. Interrogative is used for or asking something that we don't know, like is she beautiful, is she handsome boy, like that. And for example, the more example of the present continuous, that I have take think some of the example, like I am walking in Joglo, that in explain that we are again walking in Joglo, that have the first is like moment, at the moment, progress at the moment, yeah, like that, walking. And for the second is studying. I am, is wrong, yeah, I am studying English language. Saya sedang belajar bahasa Inggris. That is more specifically that I studying English. And the third is you are singing a song in my room. That is you are again singing in my room. And for the fourth, that we are reading a novel in library. This more specifically that we are read novel in library, that have in the progress at the moment, right now, this kind of now, right now, or today, or now, like that. And until for the third this like that also. Maybe this all for me. Sorry for my mistake. I apologize for my mistake, and I think this can benefit for you all, because I also still learn about English. Thank you. And last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.